So if we're looking at exercise 9.2, or this is Coursebook 9, where we are learning how to construct an algebraic expression. We need to learn how to make an algebraic expression out based on statements given to us. So whenever we have an algebraic expression, every single letter that is mentioned there represents an unknown. So for instance, if I'm saying that the area of a shape, so normally I just represent the length with L and then width with W. So L times W is equal to area is equal to length times width. So these are all unknowns. So if the value is being known, then we can just put it in the formula to calculate the area. So however, this is an equation, but we just need to use statements and change them into mathematical expressions. So you always need to use this to find out the answer. Most of the time, you already know how to do it, but you do not know what to write in terms of algebraic expression. So for example, if I ask you, what is the difference between your parents' age or your friends, or friend A and friend B? Difference between age difference, sorry. What is the age difference? Friend A and friend B. So we don't know, so we just need to find the age of one person minus the age of the other person. So this is what we call an algebraic expression. So we express it in a mathematical form. So this is just formulating formulas, means that we are making sure that we know what we're doing. So normally what you need to get used to is changing the way of speaking, rather than saying that, oh, what's the difference between age, between friend A and friend B? Then you just say that age difference, sorry, age difference between friend A and friend B. You just say that, oh yeah, use A minus B. Well, it's true. Or you just say use the age of friends A and then minus the age of friend B, which is also true. But if you want to change it to a mathematical statement in an easier format, you just say that A represents the age, B also represents the age, so A minus B. So this is the expression that we're looking for. So let's look at a certain example. So let's say normally the question will say that this person, let's say Jack, is thinking of a number. So this is normally how they ask you. So when you say that this person is thinking of a number, do you know the number? No. Okay, so this number you don't know. So this number is the unknown. So normally in algebra, what we do is instead of just putting a question mark, we represent the unknown with a letter. So we just say that thinking of a number, so the number I just say is the letter X. Okay, so what happens when I say that the first one doubles the number? So what will happen when I double the number? So my answer would be, or if I express it in terms of the unknown, it will be 2 multiplied by X, which is 2X. Okay, so the working way is like 2 times X, and then which equals to 2X. Okay, the next one will be, let's say if I ask you half of the number, and then add 3. So what we need to do is we just need to take the unknown number divided by 2 minus a plus 3. So if you want to write it nicely, it's just X over 2 plus 3. So this is your answer. This is just an expression. You don't get an absolute number, you don't get an absolute figure, but you get an expression. So for example, if I change it into something more, well, complex in a way, I tell you that this is a rectangle. So this is X, this is Y. So what is the perimeter? So if you know how to simplify your unknowns, then you know, okay, I need to use X plus Y plus X plus Y. So I'm just going to write out X plus Y plus X plus Y. At the end, we're going to get 2X plus 2Y. So get used to writing your answer like this, because this is your answer already. This is the expression of the perimeter. There's no answer here, but this is your expression. Okay, there's no value here. You cannot say that it's big or is it small. You don't know because it's all unknown. What if I ask you to express the area? If you were to express the area, all you need to do is you just need to multiply. X multiplied by y, the answer is xy. So this is the expression that represents the area. Simplest form. Okay. Sometimes you may ask, is this acceptable? Will this be accepted? Well, yes, but it is not the simplest form. So if they ask you to simplify it, then you may lose point. So this is the simplest form. So that is why it is very important to learn your exercise 9.1, because in your exercise 9.1, you actually learn how to simplify algebraic expressions. So you just need to put all the like terms together. So let's say if here you just need to move the x closer to this and then move the y closer to this. X plus x is 2x, y plus y is 2y. So that's it. That's how you actually simplify or your algebraic expression. So this one here, we are learning how to construct an expression. Okay, so it's very important to also apply your Bidmer's rule here to see which one to do first. So for example, if I say, let's go back to question A for a while and then just put into something more complex. Square it, then minus 2, and then halve it. So this one is a little bit complex here because I need to do three things. First, I need to square it. Second, I need to minus 2. And then last, I need to halve it. So what I need to do here is I need to follow step by step. Square it, minus 2 it, and the whole thing needs to be divided by 2. So this is the act of squaring. This is minus 2. And then this is halving. Okay, if you ask and say, hey, what if I just want, I just write somewhere something different. If I write it like this, is it correct? Well, it is not. Because here you are doing, if you follow your Bidmer's rule, you're first squaring, second is halving, which is wrong. So this is the part where it's wrong. So this one here cannot. So this is correct because this is your first one, second one, and third one according to what they asked. So this one here is wrong, unacceptable, although it looks correct.